How to create a professional logo with AI. Go to ChatGPT and type here, I have a website where I sell baby products. Write a logo prompt for my website. My website name is Raika. Make the logo professional with white background. Hit enter. Now copy the prompt from here and go to the ideogram.ai website. Change the size to 4 by 3 and paste here the prompt, then click generate. It will take a few moments. Finally, we have received 4 different logo. Again go back to ChatGPT. Let's generate another logo. Paste here the same prompt. Just change the website category. Also add here the different name. Hit enter. Copy again the same prompt. Click generate. After select your best logo, click here to download.